I could run you through what happened here, how I got this project. So pretty much, I saw a project. I thought it was a great project. It looked good. It was on the side of the freeway. I was on my way to an appointment because we do window cleaning maintenance as well. So not only are we gonna do the new construction for this project, but we're also gonna be probably doing the maintenance for the window cleaning for years to come. We'll do 2 window cleanings a year, and we'll make sure that this project is always maintained. But what I wanted to say is that in order to get this project, all it took was me walking in to their construction trailer, having confidence and offering my services and saying, hey, look, my name's John Erikson. I'm a professional when it comes to construction cleanup services. I'm a licensed contractor, fully bonded, the whole 9, and I wanna help you on this project. So they told me, what the project consists of, and I left them information. They forwarded me over to the project manager. So then I followed up with the project manager, and then she reached back out to me. She was an assistant project manager, had me come out so I can walk the building with her. In that situation, I made sure that I was confident. I walked the building. I made sure I knew my stuff, right? I understand what it is that I'm doing, and I made sure she felt that confidence of what I was gonna be doing. And then once we were done with the walk, because that walk took maybe, 30 minutes or so, I went and bought them a box of donuts, brought it back to the site and said, hey, look, I know we're not promised the site or anything, but for your time, I wanna offer you these donuts for you and the team. Simply left, and then within 24 hours, I submit the proposal so they have everything on file that they need to make their decision. Within 2 weeks, I follow up with them. This was during the holiday time. They were a little busy, but she said she was gonna call me right after the holidays. A week after the holidays, I followed up again. She said, we're gonna award you the contract. So that's kind of how the process works, okay? Very simple, but at the same time, if you don't follow up and you don't reach out to these people, how are they gonna find you? I know you got services right now. I know there's things that you're offering. I know that you are a professional at what you do, but if they don't know you, why would they do business with you? They don't know that you install windows. They don't know that you do paint. They don't know that you install carpet. They don't know that you're a tile setter. They've never heard of you before, right? You're not a household name, and most people in the construction industry aren't. So a lot of the times, these projects wanna work with somebody that's willing to give them a good deal and is convenient, right? They're worrying about all these different trades, and if you're showing up at their front doorstep saying, I'm ready to go, they're gonna contract you, right? So you can do this. I've done this. I know you can. You just need to show up. You just need to try it, okay? Whatever your trade is, start getting some large commercial contracts.